woodworker, woodworker, woodworker. However, those who worked mainly inside, the carpenters and woodworkers, plumbers, plasterers, all voted against by a clear majority. A master carpenter and woodworker. Examples of his skills can be seen in many establishments in Ross's Point. Colm is very grateful for any help or support you can give. There he worked as an ouvrier amongst many other German woodworkers and cabinetmakers in the Faubourg Saint-Antoine, and in 1881 he married the daughter of the German owner of the hostelry he resided in.